will be playing a game called Night Before the Blizzard. Yay! So boring. Yeah, I know. It's boring. It's probably going to be boring, but I can't underestimate it because I haven't played the full game yet. But okay, character. Jeez. What was that inhale, dude? Seriously, what is that screech or whatever? Right there, see him? He needs to join. Dang it, this dude didn't join. He could have joined, bro. Anything but joining the game and play the actual game. Does anything but actually doing that. Objective, enter your house. I don't have a house, I'm broke. But okay, generator. Since when do generators have health? That's what I'm wondering. Like, bro, does it eat carrots and vegetables? Because why does it have health? Open. Is this like Is this like the game Resident Massacre? Because I don't know. Yeah, this has got to be like Resident Massacre. Oh, no face cam, no face cam, no face cam. I can't do face cam.
Don't you walk around my house? Who do you think you are?
Oh yeah, I did see her over at the door. I didn't know what she was doing though.
You think you're tough?
I used to do that to Levi. If Levi left outside, I would lock the door.
You got poo-poo butt?
Me and Levi would joke a lot, so I used to lock the door on him as a joke.
Got poo-poo butt. Hi, Sandra Cole. When I warm up, I'll change it.
Put one in the fireplace. Oh, okay.
You can't come. You got poo-poo butt.
Good evening, everyone. This is an emergency weather update. A powerful winter storm is moving through the region, bringing blizzard conditions, extreme cold, and life-threatening wind chills.
It's just my game, by the way.
Path, please don't take any risk. Stay indoors and off the roads. Visibility is dropping to near zero in several counties, and conditions will continue to worsen overnight. If you lose
You better
power,
not
use
shut him
flashlights
out.
instead of candles, and keep all space heaters at least 3 feet from anything flammable.
That's teaching some bad things, but okay.
In areas, local authorities are advising voluntary evacuation due to expected whiteout.
I'm just playing with her. I don't try yelling. I'm just recording a video right now, so I'm getting a bit, wild. Cause, like when I record videos, I get a bit wild. I love recording videos. I like recording videos for my audience. Anyways, open. I don't see nothing.
One of these days, Bella won't be big enough to yell at you and beat you up. Remember that. There's 2 here and 2 there.
I'm recording a
That
video.
means at each house there's 2 kids that can jump you one day.
I'm recording a video right now. They locked you out. They actually locked you out. You know that?
Yeah.
12 a.m. in this game. Survive the blizzard.
And whenever you shut this door, you gotta pull it tight. So, see how it's still open a little bit? Kenzie comes and pushes on it, she can open it. But if you pull it tight, she can't open it easy. Also, Sissy, you're naked. No, baby, you're naked. We don't need a bunch of weirdos staring at me.
Alright. I don't know what's so scary about this game. It's just surviving a blizzard. Right? I hope that's just the game. Anyways. Oh my god! Oh my! What was that?
Daddy put your new shoes on you so they fit. I don't know where you put them.
Oh my god, what is that thingy?